Whenever you hear about programming interviews or landing a job in top companies, one thing always pops up: data structures and algorithms. But wait, why is everyone obsessed with it? Well, in today's video, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. DSA stands for Data Structures and Algorithms. It helps you write efficient and optimizable code. Data structures are just smart ways to organize and store your data so you can use it efficiently. Algorithms? They're basically the step-by-step strategies or rules we follow to solve a problem using those data structures. From a list of programming and scripting languages, we need one programming language to implement DSA. We will proceed with Python. Because it's beginner-friendly, super readable, and at the same time powerful. It's used in web development, machine learning, data analysis, and many more. And trust me, if you are just starting with DSA, Python will make your life much easier. So here's the plan. In this brand new Python with DSA playlist, I'll take you from the very basics of Python to implementing all the key DSA concepts step by step. If you stay consistent till the end of the playlist, you'll not just understand Python, but also get the solid DSA foundation. So, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell, and drop a like on this video. It really motivates me to create more tutorials for you. Alright, enough talk, let's start our journey with the very first step, installing Python. Python is available for all operating systems. I will be installing it for Windows. Make sure to add the path by clicking on the checkboxes before installing. Allow the permission to make changes in your computer asked by Windows. Wait till the file gets installed. Our installation is completed successfully. Now next, from the Windows icon, search IDLE, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. In short, a place where we will be implementing our Python code. Done. It was that simple. Congratulations for writing your first code in Python. You can execute Python in shell as well as creating a new file. Now, technically we can run Python directly in the default IDLE that comes with it, but let me be honest with you, coding there feels a bit boring. That's why I highly recommend using Visual Studio Code. So in this video, let's quickly install VS Code and set it up for Python development. VS Code is available for all operating systems. You'll get super useful features like auto-completion, shortcuts, extensions, and a much smoother experience overall. VS Code is lighter software and will be installed in your computer easily, just you need to follow exactly the same way shown in the video. Now, once VS Code is installed, we need to install Python extension for executing Python code. Make sure while searching the Python extension keep P capital. A Python extension provided by Microsoft will be shown. You need to install it. Click on Install and wait till the installation is complete. Done. Now we will start writing our Python code. To get started, I have created a new folder. From the folder itself, press Shift plus right click. Then select VS Code, or you can select the folder from VS Code file menu. .py is the extension of Python file. After you have written your code, click on the Run icon. In Python, we can avoid semicolon as it is not mandatory. Print function is used to display output. Next, let's see another concept, which is comments. Comments are lines of code that does not get executed and thus are written to make our code readable for others. In VS Code, you can comment or uncomment multiple lines of code by pressing Ctrl+//. In Python, there are no concept of multi-line comments, but still you can enclose your text inside triple single quote or triple double quote. It will behave like a comment. As you can see, it didn't get executed. Same for triple single quote. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching till the end. In the next video, we will learn variables and data types in Python. Post your query in the comments. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.